Hello friends, Meta creator Mark Zuckerberg has come up with another new social media for you all. It has added all the features like Twitter. There are no restrictions on these Threads social media which are restricted on Twitter, so you can use it according to your mind. If you also want to open a Threads account, then this video is for you. So without delay, let's start the video. To create a Threads account, we need an Instagram ID. So those of you who have an Instagram ID, they can create an account with that ID. For those who don't have, they open an Instagram ID and create a Threads account. Since I have an Instagram ID, I will create a Threads account by adding my Instagram ID here. Here you can see login with Instagram. Click here. After clicking, a form like this will appear in front of you. Enter your Instagram ID's email or phone number and enter a password for the Threads account below. Once everything has been entered, click on login. After clicking on login, you will see two options, save and not save. If you want to save everything in your account, click on save. If you don't want to save everything, then click on not save. I want to save everything, so I click save. After that, the profile details will appear in front of you. Here, you can see three options. The first one here will contain the name you have on Instagram. You cannot change it. In the below option, if you want to add your bio any social media, you can add the link here. After giving everything, click on the arrow symbol above. After that, privacy option will appear in front of you. If you want to make your account public, then click on public profile. And if you want to make your account private profile, then click private profile. I want to make my account public profile, so click on public profile and click continue below. After you click on join Threads, your account will be created. Now you can use your account like Twitter or Instagram. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Everyone stay well, stay healthy.